their sole intention of joining us that to fight against communal forces, we need to join together, we need to work together. Like the in charge has said, in a Congress, we always think party's interests are not top priority and our personal interests behind it. With that intention, I think many of us also are working together for the progress. Like I was to say that when the Congress is weak, our society is weak. Exactly what many speakers have said, that Congress is the only party who always defend, preserve, promote the secularism in India. Sometimes it's good to be out of power, but whenever Congress is out of power, the damage has done in that short time, it takes time to repair. So it's high time that the people of Meghalaya, as well as the people of India, to realize that we should come back to the Congress. The same thing, with that intention, our people have joined us.
It's a very great pleasure for me to welcome our old family member who had contributed much to the Congress party from his young age, Mr. Zenith Sanmaji, to the Congress party. He was the State Youth Congress President, MLA, Minister, Secretary All India Congress Committee, and he served. But in between, due to some reason, he left Congress for a short period of time, and now he realized the larger interest of the nation and to keep the secular principle of the nation, only Congress party can do better. Congress party is the only political party in this country that will uphold the constitution of the nation. So I welcome him with the wholehearted. All India Congress Committee President Sri Mallikarjuna Kharge ji has accepted his admission in the Congress party. Same way, I welcome the other dignitaries, Mr. Lionel and Plaster. Mr. Plaster, as you all know, he was a very honest police officer who served many decades in this for the welfare of the people of the state. So he, after resigning from the job, he wants to serve for the state, people of the state and for the nation. For that, he finally chosen Congress party is the only political party can do better for the future of the state. So I welcome all of them, and many people from the ruling side also and the other political parties. They have already conveyed their willingness to join back to Congress party. So in a course of time, one by one, we will definitely admit them. That time, you all will come to know about it. We are not bothered about it because Congress party is not dependent on some individuals. So many senior leaders left the Congress, but today, where they are, it is a $1 million question. Everybody knows about it. But we, as a Congress members, our workers, our district Congress Committee presidents, state office bearers, block presidents, they are very confident that they will strengthen the Congress party, rejuvenate the organization, and we will win the 2028 assembly election. In between, the Garo Hills election is coming up in the next year. So there, definitely, we are very confident that definitely we will win that election also.